Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with our chapter 1 of book An Alien Hand. The name of the chapter is The Tiny Teacher. Though very small, the ant is unbelievably intelligent and hardworking. The ant is कीड़ी जो हम कीड़ियाँ देखते हैं छोटी छोटी, right? So वो जो they are very small, but they are unbelievably intelligent. Means they are so intelligent that it's not easy for us to believe uh, that they are hardworking and intelligent. Among the various kinds, the commonest ant is black or red. These are the common ants we have seen. Ants live in comfortable homes called ant hills. Right? Ants कहाँ रहती हैं? जो जिन घरों में ants रहती हैं उनको हम ant hills बोलते हैं. Now let us start the chapter. Name the smallest insect you have seen and the wisest. Is it a fly? No, it isn't. Is it the mosquito? No, not the mosquito. Then it must be a worm. No, none of these. So then it must be a worm. No, none of these. It is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, but the wisest insect. So when the chapter starts, the writer asks us many questions that the smallest insect, what you know is smallest and the wisest insect. जो आपको लगता है वो क्या है? Is it a fly? मक्खी होती है? No, it isn't. नहीं, that's not a fly. Is it the mosquito? क्या ये मच्छर है? No, not the mosquitoes. Then it must be a worm. तो ये कीड़े होने चाहिए, worms होने चाहिए. No, none of these. नहीं, इनमें से कोई भी नहीं. It is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, but the wisest insect. Very commonly seen insect and very wise insect, that is an ant. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue. Now in this whole chapter we'll read about the story of the ant, and that seems untrue. When we'll come to know about the lifestyle of ants, the way they live their life, that will be unbelievable for us. We'll feel that it is untrue. Whatever the information we are getting is not true. But people have kept ants as pets. This is for the first time you might be hearing, I guess, that people do keep ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. And when they have kept them as the pets, obviously we see our behavior of our pets every day, and we have so we know a number of facts about the tiny, hardworking, and intelligent creatures. So we come to know about the nature, many facts about the nature of these ants. An ant uses its feelers or antenna to talk to other ants by passing messages through them. अब आपने देखा होगा कि जो ants हैं उनके antennas होते हैं, उनके जो फेस होता है फ्रंट में, वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे पतले पतले एंटेनास बने होते हैं. और वो क्यों यूज करते हैं इनको? दे यूज दीज एंटेनास टू कम्युनिकेट. दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड fillers. They talk to each other by passing messages through them. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. So, whenever you see the ants moving on a wall, and if you see the two rows and they are going in the opposite direction, you will feel that they greet each other. How do they greet each other? By touching their feelers. The antennas या feelers जिसको हम कहते हैं, they touch each other's feelers and they greet them. There are many kinds of ants. Now you know that there are ants and they are of many kinds. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. और उनमें से common ants जो हैं There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. बहुत सारी kinds की ants होती हैं और उनमें से common ants जो होती हैं वो black और red ones होती हैं. We have seen them since we were children और हम जब बचपन से उनको देखते आ रहे हैं, but haven't paid enough attention to them. But हमने उन्हें काफ़ी ज़्यादा attention paid नहीं की कभी. Where do they live? कहाँ रहते हैं? In their comfortable homes called nests or ant hills. अपने घरों में रहते हैं जिनको हम नेस्ट्स कहते हैं, राइट, या जिनको हम एंट हिल्स कहते हैं. ईच हैज हंड्रेड्स ऑफ लिटिल रूम्स एंड पैसेजेस, और हर एक उसमें 100 ऑफ रूम्स होते हैं एंड 100 ऑफ पैसेजेस होते हैं. इन सम ऑफ दीज रूम्स द क्वीन एंट लेज एग्स, और कुछ रूम्स में जो क्वीन एंट है वो एग्स ले करती हैं. Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. Others जो हैं वो nursery जहाँ पे उनको bring up किया जाता है, care की जाती है. Workers have their reserved quarters. जो workers हैं उनके अपने reserved quarters होते हैं. Reserved मतलब which are kept for the workers only. They spend most of their time searching for food. और जो वो लोग हैं workers हैं, the ants which work as the workers, they spend most of their time in finding food. Some rooms serve as storehouses for this food. Now हर एक कैटेगरी के लोगों का, जो हर एक कैटेगरी के एंट्स हैं उनका वर्क डिफाइंड है. जो वर्कर्स हैं उनका काम है फूड फाइंड आउट करना. और उस एंट हिल में वेयर देयर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ रूम्स, देयर आर सम रूम्स यूज्ड फॉर storing the food. So those are called storehouses. Soldiers have separate barracks. Barracks means quarters. जो soldiers हैं उनके अपने अलग से quarters हैं. Some of the ants they do work as soldiers also. No worker has ever tried to live in the soldier's house. No soldier has ever gone out searching for food. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. Now see how systematic their life is. That जो काम जिसको डिफाइन कर दिया है, दैट एंट वुड डू दैट वर्क ओनली. जो वर्कर्स हैं वो कभी भी सोल्जर्स के बैरक्स में रहने की कोशिश नहीं करते. एंड जो सोल्जर्स हैं दे ओनली गार्ड, दे डू नॉट गो आउट इन सर्च ऑफ फूड. एंड नो वर्कर्स और सोल्जर्स और क्लीनर्स, सोल्जर, वर्कर और क्लीनर हैज एवर हार्म्ड अ ग्रब. और इनमें से किसी ने भी कभी किसी ग्रब को हार्म नहीं किया, नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाया. सो यू सी एन एंट्स लाइफ इज वेरी पीसफुल. सो आप देख रहे हैं कि एंट्स की लाइफ इज क्वाइट पीसफुल है, बिकॉज एवरी वन हैज अ स्पेसिफिक एरिया in which they have to work, so they do that. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. सब अपना अपना काम आराम से करते हैं और दूसरा कोई किसी जो मेंबर है कोई भी किसी दूसरे ग्रुप के मेंबर के साथ फाइट नहीं करता. Now coming to the next passage, the queen ant has a pair of wings which she casts off before she begins to lay eggs. Now, eggs hatch and become grubs. Grubs change into cocoons, and cocoons break to bring forth complete ant. The life of an ordinary ant in the anthill is a book which many of us seldom open. Now, ye sari in the next paragraph, we'll be reading about the lifestyle, that how the queen ant lays eggs, how the grubs are taken care of, how do they understand their responsibilities. We are going to read it in this paragraph. The queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. जितनी भी कॉलोनी में एंट्स रह रही हैं, सो क्वीन इज द मदर ऑफ द एंटायर पॉपुलेशन. इट लिव्स फॉर अबाउट 15 years. फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग डज अ क्वीन एंट लिव? For 15 years. It has a pair of wings but bites them off after its wedding flight. इसके पास this ant has a pair of wings, but ये उस pair of wings को shed off कर देती है, bite कर देती है after its wedding flight. जब इसकी wedding flight होती है उसके बाद इसको कट कर देती है, बाइट कर लेती है अपने विंग्स को. This flight takes place on a hot summer day. और ये कब wedding flight कब होती है ant की? On a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant or drone high up in the air. The queen flies in the air on a hot summer day. It meets the male ant or drone, right? And then on its return to earth, it gets rid of its wings and then does nothing but lay eggs. और जब वो वापस आती है अर्थ पे, जो अपने विंग्स हैं उनको वो बाइट ऑफ कर देती है, और उसके बाद that queen ant does not do anything. It just lays eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. Soldiers guard them, workers feed and clean them, and also carry them about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine. Eggs जो हैं वो hatch होते हैं और उनमें से grubs बाहर आते हैं. सोल्जर्स उन ग्रब्स को गार्ड करते हैं, उनकी रक्षा करते हैं. वर्कर्स फीड एंड क्लीन देम, जो वर्कर्स हैं वो उनको फीड करते हैं और उनको क्लीन करते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो कैरी देम अबाउट डेली फॉर एयरिंग, एक्सरसाइज एंड सनशाइन, और उनको हर रोज हवा के लिए, एक्सरसाइज करवाने के लिए, सनशाइन के लिए दे टेक देम. 2 or 3 weeks later, 2-3 हफ्ते के बाद जो ग्रब्स हैं बिकम कोकून्स, वो कोकून्स बन जाते हैं एंड लाई विदाउट फूड और एक्टिविटी फॉर 3 weeks मोर. और 3 हफ्ते के लिए वो फिर से विदाउट एनी एक्टिविटी, विदाउट एनी वर्क एंड विदाउट एनी फूड दे टेक रेस्ट. Then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. और उसके बाद after the whole process, the cocoon breaks and a perfect ant appears. Now it is time for teaching and training. अब when they come out of the cocoon or out of their shells, तो ये time है उनको teach करने का and train करने का. New ants learn their duties from old ants as workers. जो new ants हैं वो old ants से अपना काम सीखती हैं as the workers. Old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After a few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out in the big world of work. So the new ants, they are trained by the old ants, which work as either workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. And after a few weeks training, they are ready to work in the world. An anthill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures, beetle, lesser breeds of ants, and the green fly. So, जो ant hill है, that is not only the home for ants, but there are many other creatures which live there. और वो creatures कौन से हैं? Beetles हैं, lesser breeds of ants हैं, and green fly हैं. Now, why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nests? तो अब ये जो ants हैं वो क्यों चाहती हैं कि alien means they which do not belong to their own breed, तो उन alien creatures को क्यों कहती हैं, अलाउ करती हैं अपने नेस्ट में रहने के लिए? फॉर सेवरल रीजन्स, बहुत सारे कारण हैं इसके. सम गिव ऑफ स्मेल प्लेजेंट टू द एंट्स सेंसेस, उनमें से जो कुछ क्रीचर्स हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छी स्मेल देते हैं जो एंट्स को काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है. Others give sweet juices and some are just pets or playthings like cats and dogs to human beings. और उनमें से जो कुछ हैं वो स्वीट जूसेस देते हैं एंट्स के लिए, और कुछ जो हैं दे वर्क एज पेट्स ओनली, right? And like humans do have cats and dogs as pets, and these ants, they also allow some of the creatures to stay in the ant hill as pets. The green fly is the ant's cow. जो green fly है वो cows की ants की cow का work करती है. Means we get milk from cow, right? We get dairy products from cow. This is how the green fly works as a cow for ants. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk. अब इसको किस चीज के लिए ट्रेन करते हैं? हनी ड्यू देने के लिए. With the touch of their antennas, मतलब they train the green flies to give honeydew when they touch the honeydew with their antennas. They milk it just as we milk the cows. They milk the green flies as the human beings. We here is referring to the human beings. They milk the cows. Have humans learned as much as ants have? क्या ह्यूमंस ने उतना सीखा है जितना हम ants सॉरी जितना ants ने सीख लिया है? Perhaps they have. As much as ants have, right? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. शायद उन्होंने सीखा है but उन्होंने अपनी learning को good use के लिए they have not I mean used their learnings in a good way. किसकी बात हो रही है? Humans की, right? They have learned good things but they do not use their ideas, their good nature for use, good use. They may still learn a few things from this tiny teacher. अब किसको कह रहे हैं वो? They is referring to the human beings. They still have a scope that they can learn things from these tiny teachers. क्या क्या चीज़ें सीख सकते हैं हम humans? Hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. ये सारी चीज़ें सीख सकते हैं हम. डिसिप्लिन सीख सकते हैं उनसे. देयर लाइफ इज डिसिप्लिन. सेंस ऑफ ड्यूटी सीख सकते हैं. लाइफ इज डिसिप्लिन क्योंकि कोई भी किसी के काम में इंटरप्ट नहीं करता. वॉट एवर द ड्यूटी इज असाइंड टू देम दे फुलफिल दैट ड्यूटी, right? And cleanliness, as you have already read in the chapter. Care for young ones, they collectively take care of the grubs. And more important is a firm loyalty to the land where they live. Loyal रहना, अपनी homeland से loyal रहना हम ants से सीख सकते हैं. So I hope the chapter is clear to you all.